Today I discuss calorimetry. In the calorimetry, first concept is method of mixture. In the method of mixture, what is the method of mixture? I take two substances Nana. Here, this is the vessel. This is the first substances. This is the second substance. Both are fall in the vessel and both are mixed together by using a stirrer. This is called method of mixture. Method of mixture means here I take two substances, both are mixed together. That means here one is hot body, other one is cold body. Here hot body and cold body both are mixed. Hot body lose the heat and cold body gains the heat. Here according to method of mixture, heat lost by the hot body equal to heat gained by the cold body. Once again I repeat, here today I discuss method of mixture. In the method of mixture, two substances are mixed. Hot body lose the heat, cold body gain the heat. That means heat lost by the hot body equal to heat gained by the cold body. Here this phenomena is called method of mixture. Generally heat formula is heat denoted by Q. Here temperature change, Q की formula ms delta T. Here M indicate mass, S indicate specific heat of the substances, delta T indicate change in temperature. Here Nana specific heat of ice is 0.5 Celsius Nana. Celsius unit is calorie by gram degree Celsius. Okay, it will be converted into SI. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule, gram equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. So that's why it will be converted 0.5 into calorie by gram converted 4200. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule, gram equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. Here it will be converted into SI. Calorie is nothing but the joule by gram converted kg. Change in temperature, it write as Kelvin. Okay. Here similarly specific heat of water also write Nana. Specific heat of water is, its value is 1 Nana. Its value is 1 in Celsius. What is the specific heat Celsius unit? Calorie by gram degree Celsius. Here 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule, gram equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. Here Nana 1, it will be converted into SI. 4200 multiply calorie converted joule, gram converted kg, temperature difference write as Kelvin. This is the Q formula Nana. Another formula is Q. Here state change Q write as ml Nana. ml. In the temperature change, what is the heat formula? Q equal to ms delta T. Here substance state change, that means ice will be converted into water, or water will be converted into stream. That means state becomes change. To write the formula for heat is Q equal to ml Nana. Here M is mass, L is called latent heat. Here latent heat of ice value becomes 0.5. Once again I repeat, latent heat of ice value is 80 calorie by gram Nana. Here alane latent heat of stream is 540 calorie by gram. Okay. Here these are latent heat values. Latent heat of ice value is 80 calorie by gram. Latent heat of stream is 540 calorie by gram. This is the heat formula for the purpose of state change Nana. Q equal to ml. For the purpose of temperature change, Q equal to ms delta T. In this method Nana, I discuss some more methods. Method of mixture. Two substances are mixed. two substances are mixed, hot body and cold body mixed nana, heat loss by the hot body equal to heat gain by the cold body. Heat loss by the hot body equal to heat gain by the cold body nana. Look here. Here I discuss m grams of stream. One concept nana, at 100 degrees Celsius is mixed with m gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the question nana. M gram of stream at 100 degrees Celsius mixed m gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Here keyword in the problem is mixed. To see the mixed, we apply method of mixture nana. According to method of mixture, heat loss by the hot body equal to heat gain by the cold body. According to that formula, to solve the problem, finally we get the conclusions. What is the first conclusion? The first conclusion is here mass of the stream condensed. Condensed means stream will be converted into water now. How much stream will be converted into water is here m by 3. Mass of the stream condensed m by 3. And again nana, again mass of the stream uncondensed. That means stream will be is a stream. That means stream not converted into water. Uncondensed means stream is a stream. Here mass of the stream uncondensed. Enta stream untadi ante here 2m by 3. Mass of the water present in the situation. Mass of the water present in the situation is 4m by 3 nana. 4m by 3. Once again I repeat nana. Here the question is very clear. Mass of the stream at 100 degrees Celsius is mixed with mass of the ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Both the masses are m and m. Okay, 5 kg, 5 kg, 6 kg, 6 kg. Here how much mass of the stream condensed? That means stream will be converted into water. Enta avutundi ante m by 3. Mass of the stream uncondensed and stream lane ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే 2m by 3. Mass of the water present means 4m by 3. And again last conclusion is resultant temperature of the mixture. Resultant temperature of the mixture is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and again another model is nana. Next to see here, this is the liquid nana. Its mass is m1, specific heat is s1. I take another liquid nana. Its mass is m2, specific heat is s2. Both are mixed nana. Here look here, both are mixed. This is the first liquid nana. Mass is m1, specific heat is s1. Here another liquid, mass is m2, specific heat is s2. Both are mixed. Find the specific heat of mixture. Directly I give the formula. Specific heat of mixture is m1 s1 plus m2 s2 by m1 plus m2. Once again I repeat. Here I take two liquids. First liquid mass is m1, specific heat is s1. Second liquid mass is m2 and specific heat is s2. Both the liquids are mixed. Find the specific heat of the mixture is m1 s1 plus m2 s2 by m1 plus m2. Next I discuss nana last concept to see here. Mainly this concept is thermal capacity. Here nana thermal capacity nana. Thermal capacity means delta Q by delta T. Here Q indicate heat nana, T indicate temperature. Here delta Q by delta T is nothing but the thermal capacity. Here delta Q is nothing but the ms delta T, because here temperature change ms delta T, heat formula is here delta T. Delta T cancel. What is the thermal capacity? Other definition nana ms. What is the thermal capacity? First formula delta Q by delta T. What is the second formula? ms. Here m indicate mass nana, s indicate specific heat. Thermal capacity first formula is delta Q by delta T. What is the second formula is ms. M ante mass nana, S ante specific heat. This is the second formula of thermal capacity. Here M indicate mass nana, S indicate specific heat. S indicate specific heat. This is the another formula for thermal capacity. Here mass write as volume into density. Volume into density into S. This is the thermal capacity, another formula. Mass write as volume into density. Here, what is the thermal capacity by volume? Thermal capacity by volume is rho into S. Rho indicate density, S indicate specific heat. This is another formula for thermal capacity by volume. E is nothing but the density into specific heat. Density into specific heat. Next, Nana, I discuss another concept, Wien's displacement law in the chapter. What is the Wien's displacement law? First, I discuss, Nana, this is the Wien's displacement law. This is the Wien's displacement law, Nana. According to this law, here this law is applicable. What is the keyword in the problem? The body emit maximum radiations. The body emit maximum radiations. According to Wien's displacement law, the body emit maximum radiation. The keyword in the problem to see body emit maximum radiation. On that case, we apply Wien's displacement law. What is the Wien's displacement law means? Wavelength of a body corresponding maximum radiations emitted inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Absolute temperature means temperature taken as Kelvin. Temperature taken as Kelvin. Simply wavelength of the body corresponding to maximum energy is inversely proportional to temperature of the body. Here, according to this concept, wavelength of the maximum into T proportional can be removed to write constant. The constant in the chapter denoted by B, Nana. Here B is called as Wien's constant. B is called as Wien's constant. Its Wien constant value is 2.9 into 10 power minus 3. What is the B value once again? 2.9 into 10 power minus 3. B is called proportionality constant, that is also called as Wien's constant. Here its units is B units. Wavelength units is meter, Nana. Wavelength means distance between two successive crests or two successive troughs. T temperature SI unit is Kelvin. What is the B value, Nana? 2.9 into 10 power minus 3 meter Kelvin. This formula is only applicable. Keyword in the problem, the body emit maximum radiations. Okay, corresponding wavelength is called lambda max, inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Next, Nana, I discuss Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling. This also I discuss briefly. Here, for example, I take hot water bowl nana. After some time, that hot water becomes cool. Okay, that means the body lose the temperature. That phenomena is called as cooling nana. According to question, keyword in the problem, to see the cool, the body cools, we apply Newton law of cooling. According to Newton law of cooling, the formula is dt by dt equal to K into Tb minus Ts. Here nana, here in this formula dt, here dt indicate temperature difference of a body nana. Here initial temperature of the body is T1, final temperature of the body is T2. Here look here, initial body temperature 60, finally we get the temperature of the body is 40 degrees Celsius. That means 60 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, the body temperature will be loose. That means that is called cooling. Here D capital T indicate temperature difference of the body. It write as T1 minus T2. When always to write maximum minus minimum. That means maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. dt means T1 minus T2. Halane d small t. This is called time difference. Time difference given to the question. K constant na. This is also called as proportionality constant. Here Tb indicate temperature of the body. Tb indicate temperature of the body. Here initial temperature of the body is T1, final temperature of the body is T2. Here average temperature write as both are add by 2, T1 plus T2 by 2. Here Ts indicate surrounding temperature. Ts indicate surrounding temperature. What is the Newton law of cooling formula once again? dt by d small t equal to K into Tb minus Ts. D capital T temperature difference, d small t time difference, K is a call proportionality constant, Tb indicate temperature of the body, Ts indicate temperature of the surrounding. Tb means T1 plus T2 by 2. Ts indicate temperature of the surrounding. D small t indicate time difference. D capital T indicate temperature difference. Okay. Here Nana, this is finally we get according to these formulas to solve the Newton law of cooling problems. In the next video, I discuss problems in these concepts Nana. Madram mixture, thermal capacity, Newton law of cooling, Wien's displacement law. These four concepts I solve some problems Nana today. Okay. Next class, next day, that means on the Monday class I discuss mainly conduction and radiation. Okay. Close.